Alright, quick toy. We need an air compressor because these tires don't hold air whatsoever. Friday we're gonna go to Crappy Tire and get them done. So it's a new compressor for us. Just a little one, you know, we're gonna put it in the car. So I'm gonna go with positive on first. Shout out to Mike, he's gonna tell me it's the opposite way.
Or watch Package Talk and all laughs.
Yeah. So
electrifying, right?
This is kind of cool. Has a quick disconnect on it. It's pretty snazzy. So we got this connecting tire for how much? 80 bucks on sale?
Yeah. The next cheapest one they had right now was 40 bucks, so you know, thought we'd go big, go home.
Yep. Hey, this tire is still holding air. Yeah, kind of. I like how quiet it is.
Not much, but a little bit.
That's how loud it is.
It's quieter than the slime one we had.
Yeah, I like it.
It doesn't vibrate all over the place like the slime one we had.
That's true. So yeah, we're just trying. I have it set to 35. It went over 35, so I don't know if I didn't set it right. I didn't read the book, obviously.
Got a flashlight on it. It's not on right now.
No, because I didn't turn it off, which is cool. The slime one doesn't have that.
It's just always on.
Yeah.
Part that got me with the slime one is like the hose was on one end, but the flashlight was on the other end. Yeah. There wasn't enough cable to turn it around, so you couldn't see what you're doing.
You would think.
Got a nice view of your shoe.
27 already, so we're only putting 35. Like we said, we're gonna bring in a Canadian Tire. More work's gonna get done on it real quick. Beautiful weather, we want to get it done. So, yeah, this is called the Mastercraft 2-cylinder rapid inflator, sorry, with direct battery connection. So much better than using those little plugs.
Yeah, I either burned out my plug or we burned out the other thing. But I think it might be my plug because it doesn't charge my phone either anymore.
Yeah, we'll have to figure something out.
Hopefully it's just a fuse. We might have to replace the actual 12 volt.
Maybe.
We'll find out.
Yep.
This
Shouldn't
summer.
be too hard. Should be just like taking out a cigarette lighter. I know how to do that. I've done it on other cars.
Okay.
So, yeah. Oh.
What are we at?
31.6.
That's pretty fast.
Actually, it is.
Seeing as we're not even under 3 minutes yet.
Ooh. That's a fuse.
Fancy.
Yeah. 32.6.
So it's going pretty good.
Yeah, I like it. It's not like extremely loud. It's still loud, yes.
All things considering.
9 feet for the cord. So it's long enough if you have a flat on your rear passenger that you can bring it and do it.
We have a pretty good gap here. We might even be able to get it to the driver's side tire from my battery with it within my car.
35.4.
So it didn't shut off. I don't think you said it right, or I don't know. So we need to read a few instructions apparently.
I'm not gonna try for the pure reason that I'm just not gonna try.
Read the instructions?
No, the
You alright?
yeah, I'm just looking at the tire.
Okay.
Alright, let's see if we can go all the way around.
Seems we got like a good, what, 3 feet here? Plugged in there.
Ooh, she's deep.
And we have lots of room over here.
That tire's screwed.
We might need new tires.
We'll see. 0. Is at 0%.
Sitting on the rotor from when we had it tarped. Oops.
What's that?
We're sitting on the rotor from when we had it tarped. Oops.
Yeah. That was my bad. We'll see, we'll take care. I have one full-size spare in the back.
Is it flat?
No.
Okay.
Oh, there's air in it, oddly enough.
Because sometimes you just be victims to the elements.
Yeah.
Because tires will weather crack even if they're just sitting. We're already at 22. But it looks pretty flat.
Yeah. It's not taking air right there.
Okay.
I'm still gonna wait and see.
Is it frozen in the ground?
Yeah, it's in the ground. I wonder if I just... Jen told me I should do that. Because sometimes it will beat itself, right?
It's one of those things, like if you're actually putting a tire on a rim trying to get it to bead, you'll, you know, take a rubber mallet and you'll hammer the tire to get it to sit. It's working. Because now the bottom's actually attached, kind of-ish.
24, it took.
Yeah, you can see it right here on the side.
Yep.
Right in there. It was open, now it's not.
Yep. So, this piece here has to come off. That's from the old bumper. Crash bar. This piece here has to come off too.
I think we have all those pieces somewhere.
We do.
Here, there, and everywhere.
Yep.
We still need to get a hold of this piece for the power steering, but we couldn't figure out how to get those off when we're at the wreck yard. Partially because the truck we're looking at had the bull bar and it was all welded in.
Yeah.
For some reason, everybody likes to weld that bull bar on.
Sucks.
Hey, it's going up.
Yep. 26.7.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good little machine.
It's going really fast.
It is.
We're at less than 7 minutes. We got 2 tires.
Yeah, that's pretty good. The slime might still be on the first one.
And there's another few YouTube videos that test those machines, and it took like 7 minutes to get like 1 tire, so
yeah.
Smaller compressors, so
yep.
It's not a bad buy.
No. So all I gotta do now is figure out the jack points on it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Take the tires off, put them in Jen's car, and Friday hopefully they'll get done.
I think the hardest part is going to find jack stands that hold the truck. I don't think we have jack stands that carry that weight.
Well, they're 2 tons.
Yeah.
So.
That's my car.
Yeah. 30. I took it alright.
I know there are jack stands that go a lot higher, but they're really expensive.
Yeah, we'll see what we got. We'll go with what we got.
Do we have any old rims? We'll do it wreck yard style.
Yeah.
Cinder blocks. Like some old movie.
Yeah, that'd be interesting. Well, hey, it took it. I'm amazed. 31.
So you'll see us again tomorrow when the tires are flat again.
What's that?
So they'll see us again tomorrow when the tires are flat again.
Probably. Now, next time it's gonna be all 4 tires gonna be beaded and good. Because right now, this right here, this thing right here.
It's a brake line.
No.
No?
Emergency cable, emergency brake.
Yeah, it's still a brake. Parking brake.
Yeah. It's emergency brake, that's what it is.
Not just because it was seized from sitting.
34.9.
Mm-hmm.
You can tell they're getting low. What's cool about a truck is that it sits so high up that you can do a lot of work underneath without even having to jack it up, which is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's gonna be fun. Hey, we're just gonna be interested in trying to take the fender off.
Yeah, you should get a video for that one because that took a lot of disassembly to get to the one piece.
I know.
And the part that we found out when we went out at the wreck yard, that it's all one piece.
Make sure I gotta pull the cable.
Sometimes it does help.
Probably seized on. We'll have to look at it later.
Yeah.
But yeah, nice little machine, Canadian Tire.
For 35.
35.4, I'd definitely say it's a buy.
Yeah, 2 tires in less than 10 minutes.
Yep.
Not bad.
Yep.
Any final words?
I like it. Beautiful weather. Time to get some work done on this puppy. All right, see ya.
Adios.